In a city like Houston, where the temperatures can soar in the summer and dip in the winter, energy-efficient doors are not just a luxury but a necessity. Homeowners and businesses alike are constantly searching for ways to reduce energy bills and enhance comfort. One of the most effective ways to achieve this is by installing energy-efficient doors. Not only do these doors improve the energy efficiency of your home or office, but they also offer long-term savings, enhanced comfort, and environmental benefits. Here's how you can make a smart investment in energy-efficient doors for your Houston property. The benefits of energy-efficient doors. The primary function of energy-efficient doors is to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature while minimizing the workload on your heating and cooling systems. In Houston, where the air conditioning system works overtime during the hot months, a door that effectively insulates your home from outside heat can make a huge difference in both comfort and costs. The benefits go beyond just energy savings. Lower energy bills. An energy-efficient door acts as a barrier between your home and the elements outside, reducing the amount of heat entering in the summer and the warmth escaping during winter. By minimizing air leaks and improving insulation, energy-efficient doors reduce the strain on your HVAC system. The result? You'll use less energy to keep your home at a comfortable temperature, leading to noticeable savings on your monthly utility bills. Improved comfort. Houston's climate can be unpredictable, with sweltering summers and occasional cold fronts during the winter. Having the right door installed ensures that the indoor temperature remains consistent, making your home or office more comfortable year-round. By preventing drafts, these doors maintain a stable environment inside, keeping you comfortable no matter what's happening outside. Noise reduction. Another often overlooked benefit of energy-efficient doors is noise reduction. If you live in a busy neighborhood or near a busy road, installing these doors can create a more peaceful living environment by reducing the amount of external noise entering your space. This is especially beneficial for those working from home or anyone looking for some peace and quiet away from the hustle and bustle of the city. Environmental impact. Energy-efficient doors help reduce the overall energy consumption of your home. By requiring less energy to heat and cool your living space, you're doing your part to lower your carbon footprint. This reduction in energy demand translates into fewer greenhouse gas emissions, making it an eco-friendly choice that contributes to a more sustainable future. Choosing the right energy-efficient door for your home. When selecting the perfect energy-efficient door for your Houston home or business, several factors come into play. Here's what you should consider to ensure you make the best choice. Material matters. The material of your door plays a crucial role in its insulating capabilities. Common energy-efficient door materials include fiberglass, steel, and solid wood. Fiberglass doors, for example, are excellent at keeping heat out and cold in, and they are often used in climates like Houston's. Steel doors can also be highly effective, especially when they have foam insulation in the core. Solid wood doors, while beautiful, may require additional insulation to achieve the same level of efficiency. Proper sealing. A door is only as energy efficient as its installation. Even the most energy efficient door won't perform well if it's not properly sealed. Gaps around the door frame or poor installation can lead to drafts and air leaks, reducing the door's efficiency. Work with a professional installer to ensure your door is correctly sealed and fitted to maximize its performance. Energy Star rating. One of the best ways to identify a high-quality energy-efficient door is by checking for an Energy Star rating. Energy Star certified doors have been tested for their energy efficiency and can offer superior performance in terms of reducing energy consumption and maintaining a comfortable indoor environment. Glass option. If you choose a door with glass inserts, make sure to look for double or triple paned glass, which provides better insulation. Low emissivity, low E, coatings can also help minimize heat transfer, making your door more energy efficient while still allowing natural light to enter your space. Professional installation for maximum efficiency. While purchasing an energy-efficient door is an important step, proper installation is key to realizing its full potential. A professional installation ensures that the door is correctly aligned, sealed, and insulated, preventing air leaks and maximizing its efficiency. The right installation can also help extend the lifespan of your door, offering long-term value for your investment. Conclusion. Investing in energy-efficient doors in Houston is a smart decision for any homeowner or business looking to reduce energy costs and improve comfort. With the right door and professional installation, you can save money on utility bills, enhance the comfort of your home, and contribute to a greener environment. Don't overlook the power of proper door installation. It's one of the easiest and most cost-effective ways to boost your property's energy efficiency.